Hey, it's Coco. Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I groom and tint my brows. Let's get started. I've already cleansed my skin, but I'm going to further cleanse the area with Humphrey's Witch Hazel. This will help remove any leftover oils or impurities. I'm using these wax strips from Nair, and I will be cutting them into smaller strips so that I can better use them on my eyebrows. And it should look a little something like this. So you just pull the strips apart and it creates two strips. And I will just apply that starting at the top of my brows. Hurts a lot. Now that we're done waxing, I'm going to trim my eyebrows down. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up with a spoolie and trim any stray hairs that I see. And I'll also proceed to brushing my eyebrows down and trimming those stray hairs. I'll be using this rose hip oil to remove any extra wax stuck on my brows. Once again, I'll be using my Humphrey's Witch Hazel to remove any extra oil or impurities. Now we're gonna clean it up and remove any strays. Now I'm just taking some facial cleanser to clean the area before I tint my brows. To tint, I'm going to be using the Godefroy Tint Kit in dark brown. It comes with a developer, a brush, and the little color capsules. These color capsules look like little pills, and you just crack them open and it has powder inside. I'm gonna put some powder in this little container it came with. Not too much, about that will do. And I'm going to mix a little bit of the developer in there. I'll be mixing this until it gets to about a pudding-like texture. I'll apply this mixture as if I were filling in my brows and making sure to get clean lines. Try to clean this up as you go because the longer you leave it on, the more it stains your skin. Remember to feather this out in the areas that you would like to keep it more light or faded. Now I'll wait about 10 minutes. Now using a damp cotton pad, I'm going to remove the color off of my brows. Now you have salon quality brows for the drugstore price. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.